Hi guys, I'm Enchanted Moon. Welcome to my, I would say unboxing, but unbagging of February's Witchy 1 subscription. This is my second time receiving this particular subscription, so I'm excited. And I noticed it came in this really cool bag, which has their name right on it, Witchy 1. And it's got moons and stars. Really cute. Absolutely loving it. Loving the packaging. Really, really cute. So, gonna get my scissor that fell on the ground. And let's see what we have in store. Okay, so so cute. Love it. This is what we have when I pull it out. It's like in a little bag, so that's cute. So that, oh, it's all put together. Ooh, all right. And then we have something like this. Very pretty. I do absolutely love this. Nice box. Little bag. And this artwork, wow. Very, very pretty. Very excited. I'm just going to pull that right out. Oh, that's a pretty bag, too. Should I open this first? I guess so, since it's right there. I'm excited. Ooh, this is very pretty. Well, right away, I see on top here, it says Mickey Mueller, maybe I'm saying wrong, studio. I know who she is. She's an author, witchy woman, and an artist. And I see this beautiful, maybe it's a mirror? Wow. It looks like a beautiful witch with her thami up to the moon. Candles on the rocks near the ocean. Very pretty. It's silver. Mine's a little scratched up, but maybe I can get that off. And then when you open it, it's a mirror. That is cool. Wow, wicked. Double-sided mirror. I like that. And the artwork on that is really pretty. I love that. Oh, it's not scratched up. There's plastic on it just so it protects it. Oh, that's good. Because that would be upsetting. So that is really pretty. I absolutely love that. That we don't have something like that. I guess I have to cut this to open it. Nope, no I don't. There we go. This beautiful, beautiful. Love it. Absolutely love it. And it has the cheat sheet in the back, so a spoiler, so we'll leave that for last. It has Mickey Muller's card, I guess, for the mirror. Pretty cool card. In our box. And this is what I see. Wow. Really cool. Alright, so I'll go for the tea first. Sweet and spicy goodnight tea. Caffeine free. By Good Earth. Then, we have this dark, pretty purple sachet. Let's see. What's in there? Ooh. Not sure what stone it is, but they are so cute. And there's two of these guys. Wow, those were adorable. Put those back in there for safekeeping. And then off to the side, I see this. Ooh. This is really nice. Obviously a crescent moon crystal. I'm not sure on the crystal, but it is very cool. Very nice size. Cool. And then we have our jewelry, what is absolutely even beautiful just in the bag. This is what we have. I believe I will find more information about it when I read the card, but I believe it's sterling. All right, let me put this. This is the card. Very pretty. That is the back, because it flipped. It's silver. You got nice, beautiful silver chain. And then here, the Eye of Horus, I believe. Here we go. So you guys can really get a good look at that. Eye of Horus. Very pretty. Silver chain. And I'm pretty sure it's sterling. It is. I can see it. So you got this beautiful sterling silver Eye of Horus. And then we have this, which is, I mean, you can just see how pretty it is right from the package. Wow. Let me see if I can get it out without destroying anything. Okay. Oh, wow, they're beautiful. The packaging is gorgeous. It's got the Witchy 1 packaging, very nice. And you see those earrings, how gorgeous they are? The crystal and amethyst with the crescent. And down here you have a beautiful crystal hanging off here too. Let me see if I can get that so you can get a better look. I mean, this camera's not doing these earrings any justice, really. Does that help? That's a little bit better. Sterling silver moons with the gem hanging off. Very cool. And it's sterling. These are beautiful. Oh, wow. This is my second time. Absolutely love it. Okay. Let's see what this says. All right. So, Eye of Horus necklace. Horus was a powerful sky god in form of a falcon whose right eye was the sun and left eye was the moon. He sacrificed his left eye to bring back his father, Horus. For this reason, this amulet is often associated with regeneration, healing, protection, wholeness, and sacrifice. Value $16. Crescent moon earrings. The moon calls to our intuitive nature. When we step outside into the moonlight and gaze upon her, she has such an ability to bring us back to our truths. Our intuition is our truth. Amethyst is the queen crystal of intuition. Wearing the moon with amethyst close to your third eye is a powerful amulet for enhancing one's intuitive nature. Value $18. Drawing Down the Moon Original Art Compact. This gorgeous, beautiful thing. This beautiful compact, featuring unique art by the talented Mickey Mueller, is a magical little accessory for any witchy woman. Value of $12. The Agate Crescent Moon. Hold this moon in meditation or ritual to more deeply connect with your wild roots. Spending more time with the moon in these ways strengthens your bonds to the magic of intuition and the sacred feminine energies that course through our beings. Value of $8. Fluorite crystal. Those are those little tiny gorgeous things. Fluorite is a wonderful stone for the upper chakras, helping to release physical, spiritual, and mental blockages. The shape of the crystal, an octagon. I don't think it's octagon, but I will leave that down in this in the description for you. Represents the air element. Utilize this crystal to breathe new life into your upper chakras, like a gentle breeze clearing stagnant old energies. Value $2. And on the side it says, wild in her heart, earthy in her ways, she moves like magic, witchy one, through these timeless days, unbound by tales told, she blossoms in her glory, shiny like a lily, telling her own story. Very, very cool. Witchy Woman. February's subscription box. Love it. Absolutely love it. I will leave you the information, guys, on the bottom for you. If you enjoyed this unboxing, you can hit subscribe. Hit the notification bell so when I have a new video, you can find out about it quick. And until next time, guys, see you later. Bye.